Hey there, if you've clicked on this video, you're probably looking for natural ways to help with weight loss. Well, today I'm sharing some incredible herbs that can boost your journey. These herbs have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and have proven benefits. Let's dive in. First up, we have green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea can increase fat burning and boost your metabolic rate. The catechins in green tea, especially EGCG, are known to enhance fat oxidation. Try drinking a cup before your workouts for an extra energy kick. It not only helps in burning fat, but also improves your endurance. Next on the list is ginger. Ginger not only helps with digestion, but also has thermogenic properties. This means it can increase your body's temperature and help you burn more calories. This means it can increase your body's temperature and help you burn more calories. Plus, it can reduce muscle pain and soreness, making it a great post-workout drink. Add it to your tea or smoothies for a spicy twist. Let's talk about cinnamon. This spice can help stabilize blood sugar levels, which means fewer cravings and less snacking. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with weight loss. Sprinkle it on your oatmeal or add it to your coffee for a sweet, healthy boost. You can also use it in baking or sprinkle it on fruits for a delicious treat. Another fantastic herb is turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can help reduce body fat and prevent weight gain. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is also known to improve brain function and lower the risk of brain diseases. Mix it with black pepper to enhance absorption and add it to soups, stews, or even your morning latte. The combination of turmeric and black pepper is a powerful duo for your health. Now don't forget about dandelion. This herb is a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water weight and toxins from your body. It also supports liver health, which is crucial for detoxification and weight loss. Brew it as tea or add the greens to your salads for a nutritious crunch. Then there's ginseng. This adaptogenic herb can help boost your energy levels and reduce stress, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Ginseng also helps in regulating blood sugar levels and improving mental performance. You can find ginseng supplements or drink it as tea. It's a great way to start your day with a burst of energy. Last but not least, we have aloe vera. Known for its detoxifying properties, aloe vera can improve digestion and help you shed those extra pounds. It also has a soothing effect on the digestive tract, making it beneficial for those with digestive issues. You can drink aloe vera juice or add the gel to your smoothies. Remember, while these herbs can support your weight loss journey, they work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Consistency is key. Make sure to stay hydrated and get enough sleep as well. So which of these herbs are you excited to try first? Each one offers unique benefits that can complement your lifestyle. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any other tips you might have. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Keep exploring the power of nature for a healthier you.